Guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you a site where you can make about $10 over and over and over again. And this is going to be a video for people that need to make money pretty quickly and pretty easily. Well, this site I'm going to show you today will show you how to do that. Now, will you make a lot of money with this? Well, it depends on how much you do it. Okay? So if you're interested in how to make $10 over and over and over again, then you're going to see this video, and we're going to get started on it here right now. But first of all, for those that are new to my videos, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel here. And if this is your first time here to my videos and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and reach down there right now below your video, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Alrighty guys, well, let's go ahead and get started with this. Pretty interested to show you this because it's a really good site, I think, and you'll be able to quickly make some money with this right here. And guys, I want to tell you before we do this, it's 100% free to do, and it can be done from anywhere in the world. Okay, so that will get us jump started. And this is the site we're coming to right here, guys. It's called HireZine. It might be pronounced HireZine, I don't know, but it's HireZine. You see it right here in the address bar. It's HireZine.com, right? Come over to this site. You see that this site here is a freelancer site. This is a site where people can come and do all kinds of different types of proofreading and typo jobs and all kinds of jobs that you can do here, such as PowerPoint creating, online typing, voice recognition, offline typing, survey jobs, even translation jobs, and Excel sheet freelancer, and even graphic designing jobs. And how it works right here, if I click on this, I'm going to show you how you're going to get paid. So if I click on this right here, it shows you're going to receive your earnings instantly. It says multiple payout methods for instant payment right here. So if we scroll down, you can see right here it says the payout options. You can choose from multiple options to redeem your earnings. And one is bank transfer, guys, you see here. PayPal, they'll pay by PayPal, so if you want to use PayPal, you want to make sure you go to paypal.com and have a PayPal account, right? You can sign up for free with there, just probably a personal account will be good enough at PayPal. And then you can also do shopping with your earnings, and you can get gift cards and gift vouchers. Probably my way would be to do it if I was doing this, it would be bank transfer. That's how you get paid with this particular site right here. But if we click over here on current openings, it brings us over here, and you see right here online work from home opportunities, free registration, timely payment, 24/7 support, and global exposure here, guys. And if we scroll down, you can see here, like I showed you, they have typing jobs, they have proofreading jobs, paid survey jobs, graphic designing jobs, PowerPoint presentation jobs, spreadsheet entry jobs, voice recognition, online advertisement, and even language translation jobs right here. But the one we're going to, you guys can do any of these, or you can do more than one. If you're really good at, doing 2 or 3 things at one time and online, well, you could probably do more than what I'm going to show you here today. But the one I'm going to pick on today is right here, guys. It's the proofreading jobs you see right here. And as you see, you can make anywhere from $5 to $10 per page that you do. And all you'll be doing, guys, it doesn't take any education to do this. I'm going to show you, in fact, I'm going to show you, stick around the rest of this video, I'm going to show you a really good, easy site that'll do this all for you for 100% free. You can see here you can make about $10 per page on proofreading jobs, and it says all you're doing is editing MS Word files and just checking for spelling and grammatical errors. That is all there is to this. And then, now right here, so if we click right here on this link right here, it'll bring us over here to this page right here, guys. And it says become an online virtual proofreader, and it says earn money by finding and correcting typo grammatical errors made by others. And it talks a little bit about down here some of the technical requirements of it. It has to be a minimum of 16 years old, got to have a desktop or laptop computer, and Microsoft Office installed, a reliable internet connection, and a mobile phone is all you need for the technical requirements of this. And then the skill requirements here, look right here, guys, elementary skills in proofreading. Elementary, that's all it is. And good knowledge of internet applications, ability to represent yourself before people, communication skills, ability to manage your time efficiently, and quick to learn and grasp new concepts. So if we come down here and we click on this right here, it brings us over to this page right here, and then it says how to apply. Now, there are steps to fill out this, and there are some people, I think, who have not filled this out. This is a little bit tricky on this application, and I'm going to show you guys about this here in a moment. But if you need, they got right here, you can review the hiring process and just go through and review the how we hire instructions carefully before submitting your application. And I think there's a lot of people who have probably not done this right and didn't get accepted, and probably left bad reviews on sites like Trustpilot and things like that because they didn't do this right. Well, I'm going to show you today how you can do this. And in fact, they've even got help to show you how to do this too. So right here where it says submit a job application, it says right here before submitting the form, read out some quick tips on how to fill out the online application form and then proceed further. And then once you fill out the application, you're going to click over here on sample project and submit a sample project. Okay, so if we click right here on this link right here, it brings us over here and it shows us the form submission rules, a guide to submit an error-free application. One thing I want to point out right here is it talks a little bit right here. I want you to see this right here. It says once you've submitted it, you cannot change your application after you submit it the one time. So you want to make sure that you get it done right the first time. Okay, be very careful in filling out your application here. So if we come on down here, and then you'll see this right here, it says proceed to the application. And then click this link right here. And that brings us over to here. It says online application forms as your journey starts here. If we scroll down, you can see the application form right here. Guys, you want to pick a good username for your account here. Put your first and last name in there. Choose your age. Put in a good email address. If you're using PayPal, I'd recommend using your same email address that you use on PayPal. Okay, so there's no discrepancies there. Pick a good password, confirm it, put in your mobile phone number, pick your gender here, and then up here where it says select your notice period, guys, you want to choose immediately right here because you want them to know that you're interested in getting started right quick rather than waiting 15 a month or like it says here. Choose immediately, right? And then which positions are you interested in? Right here, I would choose the proofreading job. Now here again, guys, you can do as many of these as you want to sign up for, but proofreading, I'd click that since I'm showing you that today. And then choose your country right here, guys. As you can see, it's available all over the entire world here, guys. So pick your country and then choose your work status right here. I recommend you choose freelancer right here, your current work status, so that they know that you're a freelancer and you're interested in doing this work. And then you want to tell a little brief about yourself, and I would type in here something about tell them your name, tell them that you're interested in this proofreading jobs and spelling grammatical correction job, and that you are available to start immediately. I would tell that to them right there. Check this box right here that you've read the terms of service and privacy. Click the register button, guys. To register, it's going to be about a 24-hour period because you're going to need to submit sample work right here, guys. You see that it says right here sample projects, and you can pick the proofreading one. They do have a proofreading one, and then if we click on that, it brings us over here and has sample, and it shows for each category here, guys. And the proofreading one is right here. You see that? Proofreading project. You click on that, it will give you the project. All you're going to do is correct the spelling and the grammatical errors. And how you do that, guys, like I told you, I've got a really good way to do that for free. You want to come over here to this site right here, guys. It's called reverso.net. See it right up here in the address bar. It's reverso.net. This site right here is a spell checker and a grammar checker and so on, and you'll just simply paste your text in there. Unless you're just good with spelling and grammatical checking. If you're good with it, you don't need to do this. You can just do it manually yourself out of your own mind, I'm sure, right? But for those of us that are lazy like me, if it were me, I'd paste my text right in here, and then all you got to do is click on check right here, and it will fix it automatically for you right here online. And then you just simply copy that information once it's corrected it and paste it back into your project, and then submit that project back to them over here at HireZine. And then probably within about 24 hours, you're going to get accepted, and you're going to start receiving grammatical proofreading jobs, and you're going to make about $10 per page that you do with that. So how many can you do in a day? You know, I don't know how you could do maybe 5, you could do 10. If you did 10, that's what? That's about $100 per day. If you did 5, that's about $50 per day. So you see, guys, just depends on how much you do the job. And guys, this is completely independent contract. You are not an employee here. You work when you want to work, and so on and so forth. And that is easy how to do that right there. Guys, that's the method I had for you today. If you like this method here at HireZine, simply reach down there and give me a thumbs up. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click that notification bell. And if you got any comments about this particular method here on this site here, HireZine, simply leave them down there in the comment section below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And also, if you want to see my free video presentation on how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer in affiliate marketing, you want to reach down there and click where it says mentorwithkev.com down there in the top of my description, how you can learn the formula to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer starting today as well. Alrighty, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next money-making method. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.